I know it's Thursday and it's not on yet, but it's been a while since I've been here. It's been a while since I've been in that building, which is my favourite building ever, because it's holds so many memories. It's very windy, it's very sunny, but it's also very cold. Yeah, see a lot of people come into hotels, which is nice. Yep, there's quite a few people. You can see the cosplayers, you know, you can see them a mile off. But we're already putting like fencing around other side at XL, ready for people coming in, I think. God knows how controlled it's going to be these days. It's been a while since I've been to a Reed Pop version of MCM, not the Paul Miley one, which we all loved. But we'll see how it goes, you know. Oh yeah, look at this beautiful building. And they're going to do a phase 3 on it. I mean, when I first started in 2007, there were steps here. So completely different. And they built all this section on, they built the hotel that weren't there before. Too expensive for my liking, especially if you're not even spending time in it. An hotel, right, get a cheap one, that's my advice, because you're only putting stuff in it and sleeping. You're not living there, are you? You don't need to spend £1,000 on a hotel room for a weekend. Mine's 200 and something for a Travelodge City Airport. Why not? Anyway, what a beautiful building.